Basic Foods and Nutrition is an elective course where students learn and become familiar with kitchen tools, equipment, and measuring while creating healthy meals, entrees, and desserts. The foods we mainly focus on are fruits and vegetables, grains, eggs, soups, and baking, along with becoming proficient with cooking terms and knife skills. Students look forward to Cupcake Wars, our end of the semester competition. This was one of our 2020 winners. Baking and Pastry Arts is an advanced foods course where you will earn VPAA elective course credit. Students will gain an understanding of the science of baking. Through hands-on learning, students will be able to prepare a wide variety of baked goods, pastries, and confections, from yeast breads, pies and pastries, cakes, and chocolate. In addition, the baking profession will be studied while students take on the role of working in a student-run bakery throughout the semester. A field trip to Zingerman's or Comerica Park will be the culminating class activity. Clothing and Textile Arts is a hands-on learning course where you will earn VPAA elective course credit. Students will explore a variety of hand and machine, sewing, and knitting techniques while learning about clothing and fashion history, elements and principles of design, fabrics and textiles, fashion sketches, pattern reading, learning basic hand stitches, and garment construction. A wide variety of equipment will be used while learning, including how to operate a sewing machine. Sustainability and upcycling is also covered in this course. Students will have the opportunity to construct a project of their choice at the end of the semester.